the heart of every city, nestled within unassuming garages and tucked away in forgotten barns, lie the untold stories of restoration rescues. Vehicles once considered mere rusty relics are revived to become shining examples of roadside glamour. Today, we delve into the fascinating world where forgotten mechanical dreams are resurrected, blending the art of craftsmanship with sheer determination. The journey of restoration begins with a vision, a desire to bring back to life the charm and elegance of a bygone era. These vehicles, often left to decay, are more than just metal and rubber. Each possesses a unique history and a story waiting to be retold. Restorers, with their passion and expertise, are the storytellers of these automotive legends. They take on the role of both detective and artist, unraveling what each machine has witnessed and crafting its resurrection with precision. The process is not for the faint-hearted. It starts with the discovery, a moment that often involves sifting through dust and debris. Imagine unearthing a 1960s Mustang in a dilapidated barn, its once glorious red paint now a faded memory under layers of grime. Yet, beneath that decay lies potential. Restorers invest countless hours meticulously documenting and sourcing original parts, ensuring authenticity. They consult faded manuals, scour junkyards, and connect with a network of enthusiasts, all in pursuit of the missing pieces that will restore authenticity. Once the pieces of the puzzle are gathered, the real magic begins, the art of disassembly. Every bolt, every hinge, tells a story. The shell is stripped back to expose its vulnerabilities. Rust is sanded away, panels realigned, and welding transforms fragile frames into robust structures. The craft is both an homage to the original engineers and a testament to modern ingenuity. It's a blend of preserving history while making it accessible to future generations. Among the most astonishing transformations is the restoration of the interiors. Here, time seems to flow backward. Worn leather seats are rejuvenated, stitching meticulously redone by skilled hands. Dashboards, once cracked and faded, regain their luster with careful polishing and replacement parts. For many, the scent of these vehicles, a mysterious blend of oil, rubber, and aged fabric, is as evocative as the sight of their polished exteriors. A crucial aspect of this process is the respect for the vehicle's original identity, balanced with the need for modern enhancements. While some restorers choose to maintain complete historical accuracy, others embrace the opportunity to fuse the classic with contemporary technology, adding advanced braking systems or eco-friendly engines. This dialogue between past and present ensures that these vehicles remain functional and relevant in today's world. However, restoration is not merely a mechanical endeavor. It is also a deeply emotional journey. Each scratch buffed away, each component perfected is a step closer to bringing memories to life. For some restorers, it's a chance to relive cherished moments, perhaps a ride in a grandfather's cherished car, or the dream of owning a specific model from youth. For others, it's about crafting a legacy, ensuring that the beauty and ingenuity of past designs continue to be admired. These restoration rescues culminate in captivating moments of reveal. When the last coat of paint shines under the sunlight and the engine purrs back to life with a reassuring hum, it's a celebration of history, craftsmanship, and dedication. Owners and enthusiasts alike gather to admire the transformation, their faces alight with wonder and appreciation. It is this shared reverence that fuels the culture of automotive restoration, a community bound by the passion for breathing life into the inanimate. In conclusion, the journey from rusty relics to roadside glamour is one of transformation and preservation. It's an ode to the past, where each project serves as a bridge connecting generations through the shared love of automotive history and innovation. These restored vehicles are not just modes of transport. They are rolling stories, reminders of the beauty that can be found in forgotten places, waiting to be reclaimed and celebrated once more. As we admire these marvels on the road, let us remember the dedicated souls behind their resurrection who remind us that with patience, passion, and perseverance, anything can be brought back to life.